What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Life of Lock. Here we are going to do a quick little unboxing on a pair of shoes that I got off a Lucky Restock that I found on Twitter. So yeah, here are, oh yikes, the kicks here. Ooh, you guys can see. Let me go ahead and cut these bad boys open. My first time seeing these shoes in hand. I'm excited. So a little backstory about these shoes. One of my boys, he's getting married, and he wants us to all the groomsmen to wear some Air Forces. And as a sneakerhead that I am, I was like, I'm not buying some regular Air Forces, so I was gonna pay resale for these, and then I got a Lucky Restock off them. So let me show you guys the shoes. The shoes comes in this nice blue box. So you guys can see right there, it says "Love You Forever" Nike Air Force One, Air Force One Low SP, size 9.5 women's, 8 men's. Here we go. First time seeing these in hand. A little nice paper with the NOCTA logo. Ooh. And here you have it. The cocaine white Air Force One Drake "Love You Forever." These are nice. I've never owned a pair of all white Air Force Ones before, so it's kind of cool to see. The leather on this is so nice. You guys can see, you know, hearts on the bottom. It says "Love You Forever" here instead of your traditional AF1 that it says on regular Air Forces, AF1 on the other side. And then, yeah, so let me look at the other kicks. There you go. You guys can see there, hearts again. I probably won't use the beads on here, but I mean, I could. I don't know what I'll spell. Give you guys a little ooh, ah, ooh, ah. And they do come with these extra laces, with these lace tips. I don't know why they just don't put these ones on and then have these ones as the other option, but yeah. Let me know what you guys think about these shoes. I've been slowly getting back into shoes, so hopefully there will be more reviews coming. I don't know, we'll see. I like to just do them here and there just to kind of you know, it's fun. So yeah, I'm gonna hold these. The wedding is in April, so I'm probably not gonna wear these until then. Until next time, guys, peace.